Good morning, student. My name is Stanislawski. I am a former student. I study at New Hope Education Center. My morning speech of today is about biology. Biology is the branch of science that deals with the study of life and living things. Main branch of biology, botany and zoology. Botany is the branch of biology that deals with the study of plants. Zoology is a branch of biology that deals with the study of animals. Other branch of biology, taxonomy, ecology, entomology, and the other. Life is the study of living things, which organisms have before the idea. Characteristics of living things: movement, nutrition, respiration, sensitivity or irritability, reproduction, excretion, growth and development. Application of biology: at home, at school, at hospital, agriculture, forestry, industry, and the others. Importance of studying biology: it helps to understand first aid procedure. It helps to understand facilities good laboratory. It helps to understand laboratory rules. Microscope. Microscope is an instrument used to magnify very small specimen so that it can be seen clearly. Laboratory. Laboratory is a special room where scientific experiments are done. Laboratory rules: do not enter in the laboratory. 2. Do not play or learn in the laboratory. 3. Do not test or smell chemical in the laboratory. 4. Do not eat in the laboratory. 5. Do not drink in the laboratory. Facilities of good laboratory: it should have proper lighting, it should have good ventilation, it must have social of water. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, students. My name is Jennifer Stafford. I come from Sambala village. I am 14 years old. I study at a New Hope Education Center. My morning speech of today is about biology. What is biology? Biology is the branch of science which deals with the study of life of living things. Biology comes from two Greek words which are bios and logos. Bios means life, logos means system. There are two main branches of biology, which are botany and zoology. Botany is a branch of biology which deals with the study of plants. Zoology is a branch of biology which deals with the study of animals. A person who studies zoology is called zoologist. A person who studies botany is called botanist, and a person who studies biology is called biologist. Importance of biology: 1. It helps us to understand environment better. 2. It helps us to keep our environment well good. 3. It helps us to get professional people like teachers, doctors, and nurses. 4. It helps us to understand the characteristics of living things. Laboratory. Laboratory is a special room where scientific experiments are done. Laboratory rules. 1. Do not eat in the laboratory. Do not smoke in the laboratory. Do not drink in the laboratory. Do not taste or smell in the laboratory. First aid. The help given to a sick person before going to hospital. Importance of study. Importance of first aid. It helps to save life. It brings hope. It promotes recovery. First aid kit is a small box that contains items used for first aid. Microscope is an instrument used to magnify where specimen can be seen. Types of microscope: light microscope and electron microscope. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Irene. I am a girl as how you see me. I am Form 1 student. I study at New Hope Education Center. I live to Uvinza village. I'm here to provide my morning speech. My morning speech of today is about physics. What is a physics? Physics is a branch of science that deals with the matter relation to energy. What is the matter? Matter is anything that has mass and can occupy the space. Energy. What is the energy? Energy is the ability that is doing work. Importance of physics. Physics is fun. 1. 2. It helps to get professional people like teachers, doctors, and nurses. 3. It enables to acquire skills. 4. It facilitates economic development. 5. It enables students to answer various questions. Application of physics in real life. At home, at hospital, at school, at industry, in forestry. Physics and relationship between other subjects. In chemistry, biology, geography, and mathematics. Laboratory. What is the laboratory? Laboratory is a special room where scientific experiments are done. Causes of accident in the laboratory: fire, slipper floor, eating or drinking chemicals. The good laboratory. The laboratory safety measure in physics laboratory. Fire extinguisher should be there. First aid kit should be there. The physics laboratory should be well ventilation. First aid is a help given to a sick person before going to hospital. Importance of first aid. It reduces pain, it prevents permanent disability, it helps to save life, it prevents infection. First aid kit. First aid kit is a small box that contains items used for first aid. The components of first aid: example, soap used for washing hands, wounds, and equipment. Torch, source of light. Painkiller, used to reduce pain. Whistle, blow to call for help. Thank you for listening to me.
Good morning. My name is Osana Boniface. I am Form 1 student. I study New Hope Education Center. My morning speech is today about physics. Physics is a branch of science which deals with matter, direction to energy. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Application at physics between in school, medical fields. Thank you.
My name is Semenish Krani. I Form 1 student. I come from Makere village. My morning speech about biology. Biology is the study of life. I comes Greek word which bios and logos. Bios means life, logos means study. There are two branches. There are two branches. Is botany and zoology. Botany is a study of plant. Zoology is the study of animals. Thank you.
My name is imetisha. I am Mwegelo. I am a Form 1 student. I come from Kidiama village. Morning speech about today, chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is a study, composition and the decomposition of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Laboratory rules. 1. Do not eat in the laboratory. 2. Do not drink in the laboratory. 3. Do not smoke in the laboratory. 4. Do not play or run in the laboratory. 5. Do not study or smile chemical. Thank you for listening.
Majina naitwa Mary. Nasoma darasa la 3. Najua kuhesabu namba kwa Kiingereza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Usimwache aende zake. Kamate sana elimu. Usimwache akukimbie. We mshike elimu. Mfunge na kamba kabisa. Asikutoke asiende mbali nawe. Usimwache aende. Wewe ng'ang'ania. Ng'ang'ana.